In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the status in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool for organization and productivity, and mastering its features can greatly enhance how efficiently you manage your projects. Today, we'll focus on editing status properties, an essential skill for keeping track of your tasks and workflows. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Notion workspace. The workspace is your main dashboard where all your projects, pages, and tasks are housed. Once you're in your workspace, identify the task or project whose status you want to modify. Found it? Great. Now, click on the status property you'd like to edit. This could be anything from in progress, completed, or any other custom status you've previously set. Once you've clicked on it, you'll notice an option to edit property. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a whole new set of choices. Within the Edit Property area, you'll find a multitude of editing options. You can adjust the type of property it is. So, whether you want it displayed as a checkbox, a select option, or something else, the choice is yours. You also have the flexibility to alter how the information is displayed. This feature is particularly useful if you want different project statuses to stand out visually. In addition to modifying the property type and display options, Notion gives you creative control by allowing you to change the colors associated with each status. This can be a game changer if you're a visual thinker. Assigning different colors to statuses can help you quickly assess situations at a glance. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, remember that familiarity will be key. Spend a little time exploring all these settings. Try duplicating, deleting if needed, or even just playing around with the settings until you feel comfortable. Notion's interface is user-friendly, so don't hesitate to experiment. The more familiar you become with these features, the more effective your organization techniques will be. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit status properties in Notion. This skill will help you maintain an organized workflow and improve your project management abilities. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy Notioning!